Kenny. I'm the trainer for Vinyl Pro, and today we're going to do carpet repair. This will be a simple hole all the way through, a burn hole on top that hasn't gone all the way through. It's a very simple repair. I'm using a floor mat. I'm not teaching you how to do floor mats. I'm teaching you how to, it's small, it's easy to do, and it makes it good for training. So first we're going to do the burn hole that is on top of the carpet that hasn't gone through, and then second we're going to do the burn hole that's gone all the way through, and we need backing and a little more build up for that one. So first, every time we're going to clean the carpet. You may have to use a brush, whatever you're working on. Your waterborne again. Clean it. Okay. Solvent. All right, so you're gonna need a glue gun, fibers, and that's it, really. To get your fibers for this, you don't have to mix them. You can take a carpet knife. When you scrape the fibers, you just take your wrist and you're gonna scrape off the very top of the carpet, okay? Gather up your fibers, okay? Put it next to your repair. Take your glue gun, put a nice layer of glue in the defect, okay? Okay, get the streamers off. You want to hurry up and do your repair before the glue starts to cool. Take your fibers, scrape in the repair, chop it. What you want to do is make sure your fibers go in to the glue. While it's hot. All you want to do is just chop it. Got excess? Get it out of there. Okay. Do a little blending if you want. There you go. If you want to give it a little more security, you can take your number 2 velour glue and spray it on there and dry it. It'll hold some of the top fibers in, but by being the glue stick, it's a pretty good repair. I mean, it's ready to step on now. Okay, so next we're going to do the hole that's all the way through. Now, usually it's a burn hole. It may be a heel. It could be a wear. What you want to do is, if it's a large area where the carpet is worn, you want to cut a geometric shape, whatever will fit your repair. It could be a square, whatever shape it could be a triangle. Okay, if you want to cut a circle, feel free, but it's going to be hard to cut a circle. So usually a square, a rectangle, or a triangle is a good shape to cut because you're cutting carpet in a vehicle. Okay. Now, this hole is pretty round. So what you want to do is, I'm going to use a square. You're going to cut out, make it the square as small as possible. Okay. Cut it out. Remove the burn, the part you don't need. Okay. Now you got a nice square hole. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug this. So before you do that, you're going to cut out a backing material. And you can take any kind of thin plastic, a plastic license plate cover, not the cover, but the actual license plate works really well. But you want to put this underneath, you want to glue it in and have your base for your plug that you're going to put in there. Okay, so it's about the right size. So I'm going to scoot it in. Okay, a little bit smaller. Okay. Slide it in. Don't lose it, like I just did. Okay. Position it in. Okay. Now take your glue. Pick up on your carpet. Get one glue bead in there to hold it in place. Okay. Once you get started, go around the whole square. Okay. You get it glued in. If you get any excess on it outside of your repair, get it off. Streamers, they're already dry, so it won't hurt anything. But you can pick this off while it's still hot. If you get glue on the outside, you're gonna have to take your time and remove the glue, because it's gonna stand out like a sore thumb. Okay. Okay. All right, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna need a piece of carpet. You can go underneath the dashboard, like where the driver, brake pedal and accelerator is located. Go to the very end of the carpet, cut out a little smiley face out of the carpet, and you can take your utility knife and cut it out. This is going to be your plug, okay? Now what you're going to do is don't turn the carpet, keep it oriented the same way. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a square out to go in your repair, okay? So don't make it too small, because you're going to have a gap that you're going to have to fill all the way around. You want to get the right size. Okay. Now, size it up. Don't forget to keep it oriented the same way. Now, once you get approximately the right size, try to cut your angles on the taper like that. Okay. Now turn it back to the original position. Get your tweezers. See, fit it. It's a little long on that side. Okay. Pull it out. Okay, once you get it fitted, okay, fill it up with glue. If you have any gaps around it, you're going to do the same thing you did with your surface. You're going to take some fibers, scrape them up. Don't dig in too far because you're going to make another repair. Put another defect in there, okay? Scratch up the top of the fibers. Wherever you have a gap, put some glue in there. Take your fibers. Get them in. Okay. Make sure you fix any gap. Okay, that's it. Sometimes you'll have little specks from your other debris. Get that out of there, and it's good to go. Now, you can take some, again, you can take some number 2 glue, spray it on there to secure the fibers, but this is pretty much it. You don't have to worry about matching your fibers because you use the same exact color that you use from the original material. Okay, sit on carpet repair.